Okay. So I wanted to do a quick little video about sound waves, sine waves, and our universe as a sound wave. This is how it was explained to me. Right here was Tartaria Advanced Ancient Tech when we were at our peak. Then we hit the fall, where we all fell from grace, the grace of the high, into the dark ages where we plunged. And we've been climbing this wave. This is where we are now. This is the next 1,000 years. This would be ascended. 5D, New Earth, whatever you want to name that. Right here would be the next fall from grace, because it's a pattern that repeats. It's cyclical. So there is nothing that can stop this ascension here, because technically it's already been done. It's already happened. We are going up. There is no fear porn that can stop us. There is no dystopia for our future. There is only utopia. And once you realize this, none of this stuff that the dark energies throw at us about, oh, we're going to lose this, and oh, this, and oh, that, and oh my God, this, and that, and look at what they're doing. Yeah, that's pretty messed up. But we're clearing all of this stuff that's been weighing us down, and we're coming up. So you can either hold on to that and let it hold you down and drag you down, or you can let it go so it's not extra weight on your back, so that you can come up with everybody else. So it's a choice. Don't live in fear. Understand that some people's realities might be different than your reality. Just because in a certain place on earth things are going all to hell doesn't mean it has to go all to hell where you're at. You know, just some food for thought. We're going up. Can't stop it. It's inevitable.